Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of glasses from Eyebuydirect. I got them online and I discovered this page, I don't know, some time ago, maybe a month ago, and I saw the ad and I figured I would try them because I have glasses that are minus, so it's nearsighted glasses because I can see close by, but I mean farsighted glasses as I can see like close, but I cannot see far away so well and it's blurred. So my old glasses made some time ago and it was in Poland. And here in USA you need new prescription glasses, but I mean new prescription, but if you know your prescription you can put it there on that side and you can still order without going to the doctor, optician. So I knew that I don't have any other kind of illness as I was in optician at Poland. I only have that farsighted problem, which is called myopia, and I decided to order glasses. So first pair I ordered came in this box and it looks like this. They sent in this box and with tracking, and it says they are made in Philippines, but I think they sent from USA. Actually it says these ones were sent from Austin, Texas. Yeah, Austin, Texas. So let's open it. And when you open, they come in such box. It says Eyebuydirect and see the possibilities. And this is cardboard box, and when you open and they come, what's inside? They come with this thing, which is some information how you can clean them and stuff like that. Then they have cloth for free, and these glasses I ordered also pouch, case, so they come also in this case. This one was a few dollars. I picked up burgundy, chestnut. So it looks like this. Inside it has very good looking material, and here it's closing like this. It's easier when glasses inside. And then I picked this model, which is called Mandi, and size is medium. Even here they say the dimensions. So dimensions for these ones are 54 millimeters for this one, 17 millimeters here, and 140 millimeters here. And this one's Mandi. I wanted because I saw some YouTube videos and a girl had similar face as mine, shape, and she picked out this and she was looking fine, so I decided on this model. And they come in few colors, but mine are in color tortoise, so it looks like this. And they also have spring hinges here, which is some springs here that they allow to extend. I mean, when you have wider head, then it's easier to extend and they fit you better. And this model also, models, you can also, when you're buying, you have few options that you can pick: normal lenses or blue light blocking ones, and I decided to get blue light blockings for 1990 something, as they are good for computer. You are protected against blue light. Your eyes get more rested and you don't get eye strain, and you will not get so tired or migraines as from watching videos or something. Doing on computer, you can get tired on eyes. Although I didn't have that problem too much, but I decided that when you get this option you can use it. So with other glasses, they gave me testing kit for blue light, and I want to try it out if these ones are really blue light blocking. So let's see. So I have glasses here. I have this thing from Cyxus. I put it here. And I have blue light. And now I will light area. Wow. Oh no, look guys. It show up like they don't blue light blocking, as it show up for a glass. That's strange. Oh look. So I guess they not blocking blue light. See? One more time. So they don't block blue light. And when you do like this, see? Maybe I will write to them and ask about this, cause this looks like this on me. So this model, I like how it looks. Looks fine, I think. Just it's one imperfection. That when you put them on, they little bit sliding down here, down the nose. But other than that, they are fine. So yeah, that's my supposed to be blue light blocking, which test doesn't come out good on this one. It's a little bit, but not much. So I don't know. Let's try again. Whoop. Like this. Wait. When it's blue light blocking, it says it shouldn't turn blue, and it does actually. Even when I do with those things. them maybe, and see what they say about it. Maybe they make mistake with lenses, because it seems we have some blue hinge. I mean, a little bit have some blue stuff on it, coating or something, but I don't know. We will also test another one, as I got not only this one, but I also got another pair. This one was cheaper. Yeah, this one was. This one I didn't get pouch for it, so it came in this box, like so, and without cloth, because it has this kind of case, and it looks like this. These ones are called Presley, and they are 54, 18 and 140. So this style is similar. They look like this on me. Wow, they look a little worse, I think, than another one, because I think they are wider. Let's see, these ones and these ones. Yeah, this one looks worse. Or maybe not, I don't know. This one doesn't come with spring hinges. These other ones, they just have this thing. So they cannot spread too much. And these ones came with normal glasses that are not blue light blocking. So these ones actually only have anti-something coat. Let's see how we come out with this test. So without glasses, let's see how it come out. Like this. And now let's do it. Look, it comes, but I think it's a little bit. Actually, they don't block. Actually, it comes through. I thought it's blocking it. So this one's also not blocking anything. See? And I test still those. Let's see. Yeah, dots appearing. See, appeared. So I don't know why. And I have also these ones from Cyxus or Cyxus. They look like this. And this. See, they block. So this one's blocking it. That's interesting to me. So these ones were on eBay for $25. and it comes with this testing kit. So either these ones are just don't blocking blue light, but they say they do. I don't know what's going on with them. So let's see again. See, it doesn't block. Unless they block some different kind. Okay, so at least we find out if this glass is blocking light or not. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload, and tell me which ones you prefer. Which one? This one or this one? I prefer this one. This one are slightly bigger, but they slide less, I think. We also seem like this eyebrow going higher than this. That's weird. I guess my eyebrow is weird. Okay, so hope you enjoy such videos. Thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.